In packaging, convenience often comes from simple design. A resealable format gives products a practical way to be packed, accessed, and organized. For everyday packaging, small details can make handling more intuitive, especially when contents need to be identified, accessed, and kept organized. Different formats allow the same concept to adapt across applications. For buyers, the advantage is not only how a bag looks, but how naturally it fits into the user's routine, from initial packing to opening, closing, and subsequent handling. Turning a packaging concept into a finished product requires consistency beyond the design itself. At Haplast, the slider bag moves into a structured manufacturing flow, where production and bag making come together at scale. Once production is complete, organized packing prepares the finished goods for the next link in the supply chain. From factory floor to outbound shipment, manufacturing is connected with logistics, with Haplast's capacity reaching over 5,000 tons per month. Behind the supply process is a broader framework of certifications and assessments, covering quality systems, social compliance, food safety, and compostable packaging requirements. This production capability supports packaging programs across different markets and business requirements. Have a packaging requirement in mind? Let's discuss the right format for your application.